How to clean Zomee Fit Breast Pump parts. Prepare the wash basin. Fill it with warm, soapy water. When hand washing your pump parts, be sure to have a wash basin, the cleaning brush included with your Zomee Fit, clean paper towels, standard dish soap, and warm water. Submerge and agitate. Place your pump parts in the water and gently move them around. Use the brush to clean each component. Rinse each part thoroughly under cool running water. We recommend sterilizing the breast pump parts before their first use. If your doctor advises more frequent sterilization, follow their instructions. However, be aware that excessive sterilization can cause the parts to wear out faster, potentially requiring replacement within 1 to 3 months or before. For delicate items like the silicone duckbill valves and diaphragms, you can gently use your fingers. Lay the parts on a clean paper towel to air dry, keeping them away from high traffic areas. Ensure all parts are completely dry before reassembling. By following these steps, you'll keep your Zomee Fit breast pump parts clean and in great condition. Happy pumping!